Discover the innovation of dynamic sealing pumps from Sintech. Our pumps set the industry standard, offering top-tier quality and compliance with rigorous industrial norms. Benefit from the Sintech advantage: pumps designed for economy and efficiency, reducing maintenance costs and eliminating leaks. Engineered to excel with a capacity of up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour and working pressures reaching 40 kilograms per square centimeter. Features like a back pull-out design and hydraulically balanced impellers ensure longevity and high performance. With heavy-duty construction and oil lubrication, our pumps are built for the toughest applications, minimizing downtime. Ideal for the sugar industry. From juice recirculation to syrup processing, our pumps handle it all. Upgrade your existing systems to our dynamic sealing arrangement for unmatched operational integrity. Join a world where efficiency and reliability converge. Choose Sintech's dynamic sealing pumps for your business.